In today's episode, I will be sharing with you my quick and easy crab cake recipe. It's too easy crab cake recipe. Welcome to Cooking with Cassie and Family. Here are the highlighted comments of the week. Thank you to every single person who is subscribed to this channel, left a positive comment, and shared my videos with a friend. You are the true MVP and the most valued members of the family. This goes out to all my seafood lovers. You're about to witness the easiest, delicious crab cake you've ever had in your life. This is my take on crab cake with a twist. Don't miss my special technique. Let's go. Alright, here's what you'll need. Keeping it simple, we are using store-bought crab cake. This brand I found at Aldi's, and for $5, come on, can't beat it. When I say easy, I mean easy. You'll need a starch or a carb. I'm going restaurant style using plantains. We will pan fry these later on. You will need some softened butter. This is for our special technique. You will see what we do with this later on. And the only seasoning that you're gonna need for this recipe is salt and pepper. And that will complete all of the ingredients you need. First, let's slice and dice. I love this part. To cut plantains, locate one of the lines on the plantain and slice directly through it, just like you see me doing here. Then it will be very easy to peel the skin off of your plantain. You can choose to use any other starch or carb, such as a potato, or just keep it really easy and get store-bought pre-frozen fries. I also have a latkes potato pancake recipe already live on my channel, so be sure to check that video out. That will also be a great addition to this dish. Now just dice the plantains into small pieces. Pan frying smaller plantains is so much easier than keeping them whole. I'm just going to be using 2 medium plantains. Then I'm going to transfer these plantains into a bowl, and for my seasonings, just add salt and pepper. You can also use complete seasoning, and also use veggie seasonings to give it a beautiful flavor. But I promised you a very quick and easy recipe, so we don't need to do too much. Just add your salt and pepper. Give your plantains a nice toss. Use a spoon, or like me, use your hands, and set this to the side for later. Now it's time to get into the secret technique. This is going to take your store-bought crab cake and make them taste like they came from a 5-star restaurant. We are making some brown butter. When I started using brown butter, it took my dish from 0 to hero. Take your softened butter, add it to a hot skillet. Then all you're going to do is stir this around until the butter is completely brown. Do not walk away from this skillet. You don't want the butter to burn, so just stay close to your stove. Keep on stirring. See the butter become this light golden brown, almost a caramel color. That's when you know your brown butter is ready. I didn't have enough, so I added a little more. You'll also notice these crispy pieces of butter at the bottom of your skillet. Keep those in. Have your crab cakes ready to add. Your skillet is hot, the butter is even hotter. You don't want anything to burn, so act quickly. Add your store-bought crab cakes to the pan. Be sure that these crab cakes are already fully thawed out. Follow the pre-prep instructions on the back of your box. From here, base your crab cakes with the brown butter. Take a spoon, add the butter on top of the crab cake, just as I'm doing here. A little secret about me is that I am a seafood fanatic. I know how to cook most seafood, but I don't know how to make crab cakes from scratch. So when I'm craving crab cake, this is my go-to dish and technique. Okay, so now you're going to flip your crab cake and baste them again with the butter. Once both sides are crispy, set to the side. Now, you're going to take your plantain and pan fry them with some oil. I like to give mine a mix midway to ensure all of the plantains are fully cooked. In this Caribbean household, we love plantains. The texture of the plantain complements the crab cakes so beautifully. Gives it a little base, a little crunch. 3 minutes later, it's already time to plate our food. I really wasn't kidding when I said that this goes by very quickly. 3 minutes and you'll be eating in no time. Add your plantains to a plate. If you've made it this far into the video, please remember to subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy recipes just like this one. I like to use this dish for a starter course when I'm doing date nights at home with my husband. Now it's time to add your crab cakes on top of the plantains. For some reason, the plantains and the crab cake complement each other so well. It's crunchy, savory, slightly salty, sweet and nutty, all at the same time. I recommend not skipping that brown butter step. It will take your dish to a whole new level, and that's a job done. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you enjoyed today's video. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more delicious recipes like this one. Like this video and share this video with all the seafood lovers you know. As always, I thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.